Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can stop automatic Amazon Prime renewal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is simply access your Prime Video app on your mobile phone, and then here in this home section you're going to find this kind of interface, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top right, and now tap on this settings icon on top. Upon doing that, you will find this kind of interface, right? Simply have to scroll a bit and tap on this option of Prime and subscription. Here in the section you will find subscription list of yours. If you have taken the membership of, you can see if you have taken your membership. Here in the section you will be able to access it. Go ahead, tap on it. Upon doing that, you will find this renewal date listed on the left hand side of the page. All you have to do is simply tap on this link that will be in the below of the renewal date. Go ahead, tap on it, and now there you will be able to access this option of turning it off. Make sure to use it till the time you have paid for it, otherwise you will tap on this turn off option, again reconfirm it, and you're good to go. You will be able to turn off or cancel the renewal of your Prime subscriptionship like that. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.